Hello guys, let's install Parallels on the Mac computer. You just go to the Parallels website, click on download free trial here on the blue button. Okay, download now, click on it. And then you want to click on the new DMG file. Click on it, great. You will see a new pop-up showing up. That's easy, just click 2 times on it. Click open, the download will finish and the application will initiate automatically right after a few seconds, and that's it. You will initiate now for the login screen where you put your account, email and password. I am logging in with my Google account, so just click continue, I accept, and wait it for the application to be completed. It will take only a few seconds. Now there will be a new update of the tools for Parallels, and it will restart your Windows part of your computer, but not your Mac computer. After your Windows restarting is finished, you're ready to use Parallels and install any application.